Hello everyone, and this is Elisel 250 piece fake nails, and some of the pieces are not shown because actually I started using it and they work really well, but I'm washing a little bit of them because they have different pieces. I use some of Hello Kitty stuff for the pieces for some other stuff, but if you are really good at painting your nails, this is really good for you, and also this is really good for professionals because of the fact that it's made basically like that. I would suggest one thing is that with these, it doesn't come with its own glue, so to buy glue, I bought some glue at CVS. This is really good for piece and piece. It does have all the utensils for adding pieces, and this is really good for someone who is really good at crafts. It also has little pieces where you can divide your fingers and your toes and stuff like that. It has these pieces like this. It's a really good product for someone who is really good with painting nails or just painting in general, or someone who is selling pieces of nails. This can work for anybody, and I suggest everyone, if you are looking to get into doing nails or get into the art of painting nails, for yourself or for a business, this is a great starter kit. So, description of the whole pieces and everything will be in the description. It's all 250 pieces. It's really great. It's really cool. So, get into it.